To help you get familiar with the graphical programming interface in Xcode, I'd like you to work along with me to create a name tag app. It's going to be very simple. You will need a photo of yourself, either as a PNG or JPEG. You probably have one on social media. If not, you can take a selfie, or I know that your MacBook has got a built-in camera. So get a picture of yourself, and I'll wait while you do it. Just pause me. Okay, you should have a picture of yourself. We're going to get started with a new Xcode project. And we're going to select Single View App. We're going to hit Next. Product name, name tag. And then this is me. You want to use Swift. Interface is a storyboard, and don't have anything else checked here. Then you're going to hit Next. And you can see I've been sort of playing with this. I've already got a name badge 1. You do want to make sure the Create Git repository on my Mac is selected. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Create. There's all sorts of great information when you're opening up a new app. Your assets are over here in the left-hand side. Everything is inside my name tag app, and inside my name tag app, inside my name tag folder, I need to add my image. Not the greatest image of me, but I don't really care. I just want something in here. So we're going to copy items if needed and create groups, and I'm going to hit Finish. Okay, so you now see my pictures here. Now I can actually start working. So you have different files here. If I open anything that ends with Swift, you're going to see programming code. But to work in the drag and drop environment, we're going to use the main storyboard. And we can add things to it from the library. There's all sorts of tools up along the top. But what I want is actually going to be here, Show Library, which you can also get to with Command Shift L. So I want to add 2 things to the screen. I'm going to need a label, and this is going to have my name in it. And so I can type it either directly in the label or here. And with it selected, I have all sorts of options here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. That centered it. I can change the color. My favorite color is purple. I'm going to center it. And so you can play with it a little bit more if you'd like. I'm going to drag that down just a bit. And so now I have my name in here. I want to have my image in here, but I can't just drag it over. I need to add in an image viewer for that. So again, I'm going to need to do the library. Command Shift L opens the library, and I need to look for image view. So I'm going to grab my image view, I'm going to drag it into my app, and then I need to select my image, which is right here. And if I hold the Shift key down while I drag from the corner, that'll keep it from skewing out of proportion. So I can sort of center it there. And I'm letting it go off to the side, so it's okay. Let's see what happens. So that's really all you need to do. You're going to drag in an image, has to be inside the UI. You can play with some of the stuff here. Not a lot to do. Typically here we can play with the view, aspect fill, scale to fill, center, top, draw. And so see which one you like best. So I'm going to use the aspect fill. And you get to see me in my new office I've been working on since I'm working from home during the pandemic. And this is the most epic Mother's Day gift I have ever gotten. It's a picture of my grand kitty, my son's cat, Judge Dredd, as Han Solo. It says a lot about both of us. So you're going to see me throughout the course, and I'd like to see you in your environment with your name. Now to take a screenshot of this, first we're going to run it. So we're going to click the button that looks like a play button up here. And there we go. I do notice it's a little bit off center from what I thought it would look like. This is something that I might fix in a future version, but it's all on here. And to take a picture of it. Now I have some more advanced software, but you're going to use Command-Shift-5. For me, this launches Snagit. There's a built-in Mac utility that'll let you take a screenshot. And then I'll just move it so I can see this. I'm going to hit Enter. That will save it to your desktop. For me, it actually launches Snagit. And in the next video, I will show you how to hand that in on Canvas.